Hi YouTube! Today I'm gonna try to make a wind deflector for my S2000. It's a year 2000, no, year 1999 S2000. It is a direct import from Japan. I'm the first owner here in Malaysia. It has 175,000 kilometers and it is an early spec car which did not come with a wind deflector, and here's the car. There's a slight dent over there. If you notice, it happened while I was not careful in the workshop. As you can tell, I'm still in the process of refurbishing this car. There's supposed to be a wind deflector over there, but it is not present, and I am going to make a wind deflector out of this cardboard. I'm going to use this cardboard as my template, and I will show you how I plan to do this. It's going to have to be stuck on here. The car's in decent shape. The car is actually very soft. All the panels are very soft. How this then happened is when I was leaning on the quarter panel. Never do that in the S2000. All the panels are very thin, hence it's a very light. The point of this video is a DIY wind deflector. That's what I'm gonna focus on today. Alright, a long time later, Mark 1 total fail. Mark 2, this was the one that fits. I'm gonna make this wind reflector entirely with clear acrylic, plexiglass if you want to call it, and this fits right there, inside there. And here's the car with the roof up, and my son has had his shower. Alright, to be continued. This is the aftermath of all the cutting and trimming and numerous marker pen drawings. Bye bye. Hello YouTube. Okay, this is the continuation of my wind deflector for the S2K. This is the custom-made acrylic wind deflector that you saw me draw up and cut up the template for recently, and now we have come up with this finished product. Double-sided tape on one side. I just sprayed this side black so that we don't see the ugly double-sided tape, and then I have, as you can see over here, lined it with rubber, a rubber hose. I essentially just cut up the rubber hose and lined both sides because these two sides will be leaning against the anti-roll bar cover. What's next is for me to remove this protective plastic layer and stick this on, and we'll be done. Alright, let's go and stick it on. I'm sure you all know that this is where the wind deflector will be placed, and it will look a little something like this. Hopefully it stays there strong. I'm gonna stick it on and remove all the plastic. With the magic of YouTube, it will happen like that. Alright, as you can see, it's fitted. Check that out. Wind deflector. DIY wind deflector. I wonder how it looks. To me, it looks pretty damn good. Don't know whether its function is as good as it looks or not. I've double-sided taped it down to this piece here. Let's see if this part still opens. Yes, it does. It does still open. Wonder if it still opens when I have the roof up or not, and whether it obstructs my vision, my view with the roof up. Whatever it is, I'll find out soon, and I hope it doesn't fly off in its maiden test run. Feels quite secure because when the wind blows, it will be supported by the two sides. I've pressed my double-sided tape down here as hard as I can. I'm using 3M double-sided tape. Normally it doesn't fail. I've cleaned the surface before attaching it. Yep. For now, I would call this project done. It's completed. I didn't film or video or YouTube me replacing this entire console. I've also done a shift boot replacement and shift ball assembly replacement. I forget all the cups inside. If you see this is a big gaping hole, is because I have no more radio. I've custom made this radio panel into a storage box, and it's a little bit dark. Everything is black. I intend to put in the largest touchscreen radio which I can find in the market here. I've ordered the new knobs. In fact, cannot replace knobs alone. I have ordered a new control panel for the aircon because these are all flaking off. And yeah, a few more small bits on the way. Stuck at customs. Brid seat and a stock seat. Alright, till the next time I test drive this car, I'll let you know how this works. It's a very cheap DIY custom wind deflector.